Hi, my name is Guy from Magick.com. Hi, how are you? What I have for you today is something that says it on the title. Start building your email list and making commission in 3 easy steps. It's not one of those things that you think you cannot earn money. This is completely different. Let me go through it with you. First video will be taking action, and you will see results within hours. Basically, we will go through the
now every single day. So here we are, guys, inside our Facebook group. Now on the right here you'll see we have a daily commission post we post every day. If I click on that, you can see this was posted 2 hours ago, and we have got 344 people earn commissions in a 24-hour period.
There's nowhere else out there that can do this. How many people can earn commission daily? It's insane.
You'd never ever seen anything like that. All of these people are real people that have earned commissions, every single one. And if we go through, you can see every single day we post this. It's 304 in a day, 124 people. A traffic source. Now, a traffic source, if you're not aware, is simply find somewhere that can send you people to what we call a squeeze page. And a squeeze page is simply there to get people to leave their email address, okay? And this normally takes...
Everybody needs a squeeze page. We all need a builder to build our sales page. That's what it means. But traffic, when you get the traffic going to the squeeze page, and we would convert the offer with affiliate offers, that will convert like crazy.
Takes hosting and loads of you instead. Now, what we're going to give you is what we call the Magick link. Yes, you spell it with a K. Now, the Magick link means every time you send a traffic source we recommend to a squeeze page that we're going to give you, every time someone opts in, they then see the Magick link. And guess what? Every time someone sees that Magick link, you're going to earn a commission. We're going to do all the hard work for you. It is awesome. Okay. Now
do you hear that? You just send traffic to the Magick link. Every time someone clicks on the Magick link, you will earn commission. Crazy.
At the same time as building your list with the squeeze page and building your autoresponder that will show you how to do, you're then going to send emails again to the Magick link. Every time someone clicks on your emails, you're going to earn, you guessed it, another commission. Now, we're taking all of this hard work that sometimes takes months, and in the next videos we're going to show you how you can get set up and started in just about 10 minutes. That's how awesome and easy we've made it. With
that is crazy. You can set everything up in 10 minutes. Like, not only do that, yeah, you get the traffic, the Magick link will get you commission every single time. So basically, you can join the Facebook group and register for the live webcasts. Let's have a look at the next step. 3-click setup.
Now, welcome to video number 2. In this video, we're going to show you how you can start setting up in a few seconds and have everything set up in a few clicks. Sounds unreal, but let me share my screen and show you exactly how you get started so you can start building that list and earning those commissions. Now, the very first thing you're going to have to do is build a squeeze page. Build this section just here, and we're going to show you how you can do that in just 3 clicks, ready to generate leads and commissions for you. So follow along this step.
That is crazy. Like I said, just build a squeeze page and then the Magick link will work its magic.
Step guide, and I'll show you how easy we have made this. Now, the first step is below this video there is a button, and it looks just like this. It says create your squeeze page in 3 clicks, and all you need to do is click on that button. Now, once you've clicked that button, you get access to my very own page builder, my very own squeeze page builder called TD Pages. Now, you are setting up a 2-week, 14-day free trial that occurs at $47 per month, but nothing makes it easier to build squeeze pages. There's no risk at all. You can cancel this anytime, but we know you won't, because you'll be building a list with it and making commissions super easy. So when you click the button and go to this page, click on Purchase Securely Now. Then when it comes to this page, you can see 14 days free.
2 weeks free to use this tool. It's amazing. If you don't want to carry on with it, you can just cancel anytime you like. That is how good it is.
If not, it will automatically log you in. You can create an account, log in. It will send you the login details as well, so you can log in time and time again. But once you're logged in, this is what it looks like. And here we go. You're now logged in to our page builder TD page. There's so much you can do with this, but I'm going to show you how easy we've made it with our advanced technology to build your list and get your commissions. All you need to do is head over to this blue button here called Explore Growth Hack. Then it will come on to our many templates. Now, this first one, Magick Templates, is where you need to focus on. So let's click on Read More. And then we come to this page, okay? And you can see here, these are high converting list building templates, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with this. So all you need to do is choose a template.
All the templates is all made for you. You're ready to go. You don't have to even make any squeeze pages, but you do need a page builder to convert it even more. You can change it the way you want it, your own style.
Let's say we choose number 1, click import this template, then we click on create campaign.
Like we said, it takes 3 clicks to carry on. Let's go and watch the next page. Build your list. Everybody needs a list. Without a list, you have no business.
So well done for setting up so far. We've built our squeeze page. Now I'm going to show you how to connect that to an autoresponder so you can start building your list. How easy is this?
Also, you do not even have to write email, because the email will be provided by us.
Almost there. So now, to send emails from, we need to start an autoresponder, then connect it to our squeeze page. So when people come to it, they enter their email, it goes in our autoresponder, so we can send emails and make more commissions with the Magick link, which will give you access to very soon. But now, below this video, there is a button that says get your autoresponder. This is a free autoresponder up to a certain size. So click that link and follow along with what I'm about to show you. Now, you're going to want to leave the page up, this page up, because we're going to edit this shortly. But if you can't find it, simply go to My Campaign. Now, don't worry, it all looks fairly made. Okay, the last page we made. In your account, they're only
All templates, like I said, it's all made for you. All you just need to do is connect it to any autoresponder that you choose. If you don't have an autoresponder, then I'll just put the link underneath for you. Well, this is the best part, where you make commission.
Now guys, for the exciting part, I hope you're excited. It's time to make commissions and to start building your list. So as we can see on the screen, we've done the squeeze page, we've done the autoresponder. Now, normally making commissions is really hard. So there's 2 key things we haven't really talked about. This is the affiliate offer, okay, where you make commissions. Now, normally what you have to do is apply to all different affiliate networks. You have to know them. You have to filter through all the offers. You have to find the good offers. You have to chuck tons of traffic at it to make it work. It really is a long process, and it can cost thousands upon thousands of dollars. And then when you apply for these offers, you find you don't even get approved for them. It's kind of a catch-22 when you're new. You can't get approved for offers because you haven't got history, and you can't make a history because you can't get approved for offers. Then you have to split test the offers over and over again. Sometimes you have to try 10, 15, 20 different offers before you find one that makes commission.
Why would you want to do it yourself when they all tried and tested for you and it converts like crazy? Everybody's on here now is making money with the Magick. It's absolutely no-brainer. All you need to do now is pay $47 to get the Magick, and the great bonus is you get 300 clicks for it. And anyone that clicks on the link, you start earning money. Isn't that crazy? I think so.
You know how hard it is. I can pretty much guarantee you've failed, because it takes people like me with loads of split testing capability, with deep pockets to test things and find things that work. So how about I give you the things that work? How about I earn you a commission right away? Now, below this video, there is a button that says Start Earning Commissions. This is a one-time offer, guys. Click that button to get access to the Magick link. Now, on top of that, again, we want to prove this works. So we're going to send $100 worth. You heard that word, $100 worth of clicks included as a bonus for joining us right now.
That's insane. You only pay $47 to get a Magick, and then you get $100 of free clicks. And there's nowhere else out there.
Now, when you click that button, this is where you go. You get some extra bonuses. Now, once you access the Magick link, this is where you come. You get access to lots of extra goodies. So your Magick link is here. Every time someone clicks on that, you are going to earn a commission. It's that easy. We show you the entire setup, okay? You can even see your commissions here. You will make commissions, guys, and you can visit our commission withdrawal page to withdraw your commissions from this page here.
Guaranteed to make commission. You can't fail. There's no one else, no other company out there that would say guarantee that you can make commission, and I think we're the first. With $47 just one time, and then getting $100 free click, and then the others that you can cancel anytime you want. But why would you want to cancel when you're earning money? It's crazy. So yeah, if you like this video, join us, click the link, and I'll see you with the Magick link.